we're here to celebrate World Environment Day, a day that reminds us that we are not above nature, we are a part of it. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the trees, birds, animals are all connected to us. It is our duty to take care of them. To begin the event, our talented grade 9 friends have prepared a heartfelt song through their music to remind us to love and protect Mother Earth. Let's enjoy the performance.
Let's see what we can do, save the planet for me and you. Let's see what we can do, save the planet for me and you. E-A-R-T-H, planet Earth is a happy place. E-A-R-T-H, planet Earth is a happy place. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Let's see what we can do, save the planet for me and you. Let's see what we can do, save the planet for me and you. E is for environment, keep it clean. If we stand together, we'll make the best team. A is for the animals that we love, swimming and walking and flying above. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Let's see what we can do, save the planet for me and you. Let's see what we can do, save the planet for me and you. R is for recycle or use it again. Separate your trash into the right bin. T is for traveling every day. Leave the car and rather walk this way. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Let's see what we can do, save the planet for me and you. Let's see what we can do, save the planet for me and you. X is for humans, that's what we are. If we work together, we go so far. E-A-R-T-H, planet Earth is a happy place. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Let's see what we can do, save the planet for me and you. Let's see what we can do, save the planet for me and you. Let's see what we can do, save the planet for me and you. Let's see what we can do, save the planet for me and you.
Thank you, grade 9, for that beautiful and touching song. It truly made us think about the earth and how we can help. Now, let's move to a very special performance by our creative friends from grade 10. They are presenting a pantomime titled Unity of Peace. In this silent act, they will show how caring for the environment and living in harmony brings peace to the world. Please watch closely and feel the message with your heart. What a strong and meaningful act. Thank you, Great 10, for reminding us that actions speak louder than words. Let us all promise to keep our earth green, clean, and full of life. Not just today, but every day. Thank you and have a peaceful green day ahead. Thank you.